Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Harsh shifts, delays, or even getting stuck in one gear. You plug in a scanner and it shows code P0987. This code indicates an issue with the shift solenoid H control circuit high, meaning the transmission isn't receiving the right signals to shift properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0987 means, where to locate the key sensors, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0987? DTC P0987 stands for Shift Solenoid H, Control Circuit High. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, sends electrical signals to shift solenoids, which regulate hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. If the circuit for solenoid H has high voltage, the transmission might shift erratically or worse, go into limp mode. Symptoms of P0987. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifts. Transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine, light or transmission, warning light slipping gears or erratic shifting. Higher fuel consumption due to improper shifting sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0987, check these key components. Shift solenoid H location, inside the transmission valve body, beneath the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for gear shifts. Transmission control module, TCM. Location: typically found under the dashboard, near the battery, or mounted on the transmission case. Function: sends voltage signals to the shift solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location: mounted on the transmission case close to the hydraulic lines. Function: monitors pressure and ensures the correct shifts. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location: runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function: carries electrical signals to the solenoid. What causes P0987? The most common reasons for this error include: 1. Faulty shift solenoid H, receiving excessive voltage or failing to respond properly. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, corroded or short-circuited wires in the solenoid circuit. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Transmission fluid issues. Dirty, low, or overheating fluid can cause solenoid problems. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect data to the TCM. How to fix P0987. Follow these steps to resolve the issue.